back. Today we're making my favorite muffins, blueberry muffins. Tiago's tips. Let's start by creaming the butter and the sugar. Oh my god. Don't get it. Now we cream the butter and the sugar. Now we're gonna add the vanilla and the eggs. Time to crack some eggs. I think that was just one crack. Crackety. No shells. No shells. Ew, this guy got cracked. Look at him. He's... Oh. Now half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we mix again. Smells delicious. Half a cup of yogurt. Let's add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Add half a cup of sugar to the blueberries and let it sit. I'm gonna mash the blueberries to give the muffins a little bit more flavor. Oh my god. Or you could add the mashed blueberries. Now we mix. Now we add 2 cups of flour. This is 1. Whoa. Well, see? And that's 2. You hear it go. Make sure you're on low speed. And if not, know what happens? It spreads it on your face. A pinch of salt. Look at it. Now add the blueberries. Now you fold it with a spatula. Now we're gonna add the batter to the baking cups. Get a little messy. You never know if one's gonna be not perfect. But it's okay. You can have them anyway. They're still gonna be delicious. I hope they are. Bake it 375 for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna rotate it and bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Ready for the oven. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. For the full recipe, check in the comments below. Make sure to click the subscribe button.